Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually withdraw your money on Piggyvest. Okay, so if you actually been using Piggyvest for a while and actually don't know how you can withdraw your money, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money. So as you can see, currently I'm logged into my Piggyvest account, and as you can see savings, you can see total investments, you can see the flex dollar, and you can see your flex naira account. Okay, these are all different wallets on your Piggyvest account, and you can see your activities, you can see your recent activities and to-do list of things you need to do to secure your account and benefits you can actually get. Okay, so the first thing you need to do to be able to withdraw your money is to come to your account. You can come to the account button here, and you can also still click on your profile. That is just your profile icon or your picture, your profile picture basically, and it's going to take you to the account section. As you can see, this is what my account section actually looks like. Then the next thing, this is what account section actually looks like in general. Then you come to withdraw funds. Withdraw funds is the same thing as actually withdrawing your money. Then the next thing you're also going to see is you're going to see two different accounts. They're going to show you available flex balance and piggy balance. So let me explain both of them. This flex balance is actually your flex account. That's like an account just like your normal account, just like your normal bank account. That's really that's how flex balance actually work. Then this piggy bank balance is actually for when you're trying to save money for a particular thing. Like for example, let me show you. Like the flex balance is actually connected to your flex number, which has to do with your bank account and things like that. Okay, like now as you can see, this is my flex naira account. I have just 1,000 naira there, and if you come to total savings, this is my piggy bank. Okay, piggy bank, you click on it, you say okay, sorry about that. This is safe lock bonuses, that's from referrals. Then Piggyvest Piggybank is okay. This is where you can actually see this. You can actually just save your money for different purpose. Okay, so as you can see, you can click on quick save and I'm able to save money for some amount of things. So if you take a look at my transactions history here, you are going to notice that I've saved some amount of money for different purposes. Withdraw, I made this, I withdraw this amount of money, I funded my account with this, I did this. Okay, so there are different kind of things you can actually do. So once you're done with that, since I'm trying to withdraw from my flex balance, I'm just going to click on flex balance. And once you click on flex balance, the next thing you're going to see is that they're going to ask you for your account number. As you can see, your fund will be sent to, as you can see, I've input my own account number. I can go ahead and change it if I want. I can just tap here. Once I tap here, I'm going to input a new account, but I don't want to do that. I have all different accounts, but I don't want to do that. I just want to usually just one account. Then the next thing you're going to do is put in the amount. As you can see, don't forget to read this. They said the minimum amount is 2,000 naira, which means I can actually withdraw my money. Since I have just 1,000 naira in my account, I can't withdraw my money. I need to have above 2,000 naira or at least 2,000 naira in my account. So once you're done, you can just ignore this reason for withdrawing. You can ignore it. You can just go ahead and type in your OTP. But to get your OTP code here, you need to tap on generate OTP code, which is going to be sent to your account number, to your phone number or your email. Then you paste it here, then put your password, then withdraw. It's going to take at least maybe about let me say be at least 1 hour or less for the money to enter your account. But if you are doing your piggy bank balance, if you are doing from piggy bank balance, it also works same way. As you can see, just at the minimum is 3,000 naira for the piggy bank. So that's how it works. So if you want to recharge your account, it's easy for you to recharge your account. Come to home. Then if you are trying to recharge your piggy bank, you come to savings. Then from savings you come to piggy bank. Then for piggy bank, you just click on quick save. Then once you click on quick save, I will just put the amount I want to put. Let me say I want to save 1,000 naira in my piggy bank. Put destination Piggybank. I'm not putting my piggy flex. I'm currently on Piggybank, so I'll select Piggybank. Then I click on proceed, but I'm not putting any money into my account right now, so I'm just going to ignore that. And also, as you can see from this saving section here, you can see withdraw. You can see the button of withdraw here, so you can go ahead and click on withdraw, and it's going to take you to the same withdraw option. Then you can go ahead and click withdraw, Piggybank balance and withdraw. Okay, so that's it guys on how you can actually withdraw your money from Piggyvest. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends. So see you in another video like this. Thanks for watching.